Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening File, then Page Setup. This is where Google Docs centralizes page dimensions. Once you open it, scan the size dropdown and pick a standard like letter or A4, or choose custom size to enter width and height. Make sure to select orientation, portrait, or landscape, because size and layout work together. If you want every new doc to use this size, click Set as Default. Otherwise, click OK to apply only to the current document. You now use custom size when standard options don't fit your needs. Enter width and height using inches or centimeters. Google Docs respects the unit you type. Once done, adjust margins right in Page Setup if content needs breathing room, or leave and tweak headers and footers from the Insert menu. Make sure to click OK to apply changes, then visually inspect the document canvas to confirm text and images wrap correctly, and note you finish by verifying the change. Use Print Preview to see exactly how the page prints, because screen and print can differ. If you need a fixed output, export as PDF to lock the size, and when printing, make sure scale is set to 100% so dimensions remain accurate. If the layout shifts or sizes revert, make sure you entered units consistently, try a hard refresh or clear cache, and confirm no add-ons override page settings before repeating the page setup steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.